Hello students, welcome to the Pole Science of 12 Arts, and today we will move on with the detailed explanation about the National Development Council. In the previous class we had read about the general details of the National Development Council, under which we read that it is fully a governmental organization that works for the achievement and deliberation of certain developmental matters in India. So today we will read about a detailed descriptions that is related to the National Development Council, which is known as Rashtriya Vikas Parishad in Hindi, NDC. So let us proceed then. The National Development Council is an executive body established by the Government of India in August 1952. That means it is almost 68 years old. So, which is neither a constitutional nor a statutory body. It is the apex body to take decisions on matters related to the approval of 5-year plans of the country. So, Prime Minister is the ex officio chairman of the NDC. So, along with Niti Aayog, the Prime Minister is also the ex officio chairman of NDC. So, related to the detailed description of the NDC, NDC is an executive body. That means it is a governmental body which was established by the Government of India in August 1952. Remember this date. That means it is an executive body which was set up by whom? By the Government of India itself in August 1952. So, which is neither a constitutional nor a statutory body. That means it is not a constitutional body also nor a statutory body. Clear? It is the apex body to take decisions on matters related to the approval of 5-year plans of the country. That means if it is not a constitutional body also or a statutory body also, so what it is just an apex body. Clear? And this apex body will do what? It will only take decisions on matters related to the approval of 5-year plans. Earlier it was 5-year plans was there. So according to that 5-year plans, every matters related to the developmental projects were taken by whom? All the important decisions related to the developmental matters or development matters were taken by this apex body, which was or which is NDC. Clear? So related to the chairman or the ex officio chairman, who is that ex officio chairman? Our honorable Prime Minister is the ex officio chairman of the National Development Council. Clear? So if we talk about its composition, as we know that chairman of NDC is the Prime Minister of India. Apart from that, many other posts are also there. So in order to understand, we need to read about the composition of the National Development Council. So the National Development Council is composed of the members mentioned below. Number 1 is Prime Minister of India, and he holds the post of the chairman. Clear? After that comes, under the members of National Development Council, comes all the chief ministers of all states. That means the number of states and their chief ministers are included under the members of National Development Council. After that comes administrators of all union territories. And apart from chief ministers of all states, there are also the union territories, and from the union territories, all the union territories who are included as the member, the administrators of all union territories. After that, all cabinet ministers are also the members of this NDC. Clear? All the cabinet ministers. After that comes members of the Planning Commission. As we know that the Planning Commission has been dismissed and the Niti Aayog has came into effect from 1st of January 2015. So earlier under NDC who were there? All the members of the Planning Commission were there, and under Niti Aayog there are the permanent members, the non-permanent members are there. So all those members who are under that will come under or as included as the members of the Niti Aayog. Earlier it was members of the Planning Commission. The secretary of the Planning Commission is also the secretary of the NDC. That means you can say the Planning Commission has been dissolved, so in that place Niti Aayog has came. So you can say that the secretary of the Niti Aayog is also the secretary of the National Development Council, because these two organizations are interrelated and are basically working for the development of the country. So the administrative assistance is also provided by the Planning Commission. So the secretary is also same as of the Planning Commission. So the administrative assistance which is needed is also provided by whom? The Planning Commission. Clear? So under the composition of NDC, you can see that these are divided into 6 parts. First, the chairman of NDC, that is the Prime Minister of India. Then comes the chief ministers of all states are there. Then after that, administrators of all the union territories are also the members. After that comes all the cabinet ministers. Then members of the Planning Commission, number 5. Clear? After that comes the secretary and the administrative assistants are also needed, that will fall under number 6 and 7. So the secretary, related to the secretary is the same person that is of the Planning Commission. That position of the Planning Commission or the secretary of the Planning Commission is also the secretary of the National Development Council. And number 7 comes the administrative assistance, which is also provided by whom? The Planning Commission. Now it is Niti Aayog. Until 2015 it was Planning Commission. So you can say that the secretary of the Planning Commission was the same person that was also holding the post of secretary in NDC, and the administrative assistance of the NDC is also referred by whom, or is appointed on the reference of whom? The Planning Commission. Clear? So with this I will wind up today's topic. So in today's topic we have read about the detailed description of the National Development Council, in which we came to know that it is an executive body that was formed by the Government of India in August 1952, but it is not a constitutional body also, nor a statutory body also. It is an apex body, and this apex body takes decisions related to the 5-year plans. That means all the developmental projects under 5-year plans, all the decisions are taken by whom? The NDC. And talking about chairman, the Prime Minister of India is the chairman of NDC. And we also read about the composition, which is subdivided into 7 parts. The chairman of NDC is the Prime Minister of India. Then all the chief ministers of all states are included, along with that administrators of all union territories are also included. After that, all cabinet ministers are the members. Then all members of the Planning Commission are included. After that comes the secretary. The secretary of the Planning Commission is the same person that is also the secretary of the NDC. And Talking about its administrative assistance, this administrative assistance is also referred or is appointed on the reference of the Planning Commission, which is now been succeeded by the Niti Aayog. So with this I will wind up today's topic. Hope that you have understood the matter related to this topic. With this I will wind up today's topic. Thank you.